Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Elementor in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New and search for Elementor. Click Install now and then activate the plugin. This process typically takes less than 1 minute. Once activated, you will find Elementor settings available in your WordPress admin menu, ready for initial configuration. After installation, it's time for initial setup. Head to Elementor settings to define your site's global fonts and colors. This ensures design consistency across all your pages. You can also explore integrations with other essential plugins or services, enhancing Elementor's functionality. Taking a few minutes to configure these foundational settings will streamline your design workflow significantly, saving you valuable time later on. Now let's create your first page. From your WordPress dashboard, add a new page or post. Once created, click the prominent Edit with Elementor button. This action launches the intuitive Elementor Builder interface. You can then easily drag and drop various elements such as headings, images, and text blocks directly onto your page canvas, bringing your vision to life. To maximize your efficiency, leverage Elementor's extensive library of pre-designed templates and blocks. These can jumpstart your design process, saving you hours. Always check your page's responsiveness across different devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to ensure a flawless user experience. Remember to save your work frequently. A good practice is every 5 to 10 minutes to avoid losing any progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.